Today, I would like to guide you on how to invest your surplus fund in a short-term investment just to make some money for your business. You must not invest your working capital's money in a risky investment, as our intention is just to make some money from the temporary surplus fund. I will tell you why. By the way, if you want to learn more tips on how to manage your company's cash flow, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's roll out.
Kamarul Zaman Baharoon. He has more than 25 years experience in cash management. He can help your business to make more money. He can teach you effective cash management techniques. Author of 2 finance books published by Amazon. Kamarul Zaman Baharoon, your business finance partner.
The reason why we want to develop a good daily cash flow report for your company is to determine precisely our cash disbursements and our receipts at any point of time. After we have successfully developed a very good system for our daily cash flow report, we can use it to our advantage of our capability to invest our surplus fund in a short-term investment. Since our investment here is only a temporary measure, just for a standby purposes, in the event that we would like to pay for any extraordinary items or just to grab the golden opportunity on a new investment or new business venture. Your investment tenure or period must not be more than 1 month. Your investment must be a zero-risk investment, since our nature of business is not an investment company, but merely just to get some form of extra income for our short-term investment. I think you might be familiar with the fixed deposit investment, where the tenure will be from 1 month onwards. What I want to stress here is, actually, you can invest in a very short-term investment, where the tenure will be from overnight or 1 day to 3 to 4 days. And the good side of this is, it is totally not your money. It's your suppliers or subcontractors' money. How are we going to do this? There are certain criteria if you would like to try this type of investment. First, your daily cash flow system must be very good. Second, it is a good practice if you manage to secure an overdraft facility for your company. Even though you may not use the overdraft facility, it is a good practice to cover any eventuality of your bank account being overdrawn due to miscalculation of your daily cash flow report. We call this type of investment a money market investment, or sometimes they just call it a repo placement. The secret behind this is, sometimes you might prepare quite a lot of money for your subcontractors or suppliers, but the checks prepared might not be released yet for some reasons. The checks might be still with your boss for signing. Since we are preparing the daily cash flow report using the checks bud or checks payment voucher, we are actually have recorded the payment, but the checks prepared are still not being disbursed to your suppliers yet. We can take advantage of this situation if you are really serious to make some money from this situation. Before we start investing in a very short-term investment called money market placement or repo placement, I would like to enlighten some of the process that involved with our banking system. As you all know, most of our fund in the bank will be in our current account. If we intend to place a money market investment in the same bank, we do not have to transfer out your money from the current account to the money market investment account in the same bank. If we would like to place our short-term investment to the other bank, you have to transfer out your money to the short-term investment account in the other bank. you have to take into considerations some important things as follows. First, there will be a minimal fee involved since you will deal with a remittance department in your bank to transfer your money out to the short-term investment account in another bank. Second, normally the cut-off time to invest in a money market placement will be at 12 noon, which means you have to work out the process fast since you have to prepare for 2 transactions before 12 noon, preparing money market placement letter and remittance form or letter for the interbank transfer transaction. From my experience, it is less hassle if you invest your money market placement in the same bank where you already have your current account. You have to discuss with your bank whether your bank can accept short-term investment placement where the tenor will be from overnight till 1 week. Interest-wise, the rate will be slightly lower than your normal fixed deposit rate, but it is worth it to try since the money you invest in the money market placement is not totally your money. It is a mixture of your money and your supplier's money, where you skillfully take advantage of the check disbursement movement. I will continue the process in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more on the cash management process of your business.